You walked into the protein aisle like it was safe harbor. Then the breading winked at you. The sausage grinned. And your meter wept. Breading is the wolf in chicken's clothing. It says, "Eat me, I'm lean," then whispers 30 grams of carbs in your small intestine. But the original menu was written before the factory got hold of it. Every moving thing, clean, wild, unbreaded. God doesn't do breadcrumbs. Daniel said no to the king's gravy boat, yes to the clean plate. 10 days later, he was the poster child for "I told you so." 7 proteins, 7 weapons, not forged in a lab. Swimming, flying, roosting, grazing, curdling. The armory was always organic. This is the complete protocol. Every bite a poem, every molecule a mercy, faith plus science. Let's eat. Chapter 1. The Flame Tamer. Salmon. The fish that swims upstream against everything, including your inflammation. Wild, untamed, packed with liquid peace. EPA and DHA slip into your cells like quiet diplomats. They tell the NFKB fire to sit down, and the fire listens. Your insulin receptor was rusted. Omega-3 polishes it back to chrome. The key turns. The door opens. Sugar finally has a home. Triglyceride monsters party in your blood. Omega-3s arrive like samurai. Slice. Fall. The heart throws a thank you parade. Wild-caught leaps waterfalls. Farmed floats in soup. If your salmon doesn't have a sense of adventure, neither will your metabolism. Same body. Different water. The flame tamer was swimming upstream. Chapter 2. The Pocket Rocket. Sardines. The fish so small it fits in a can, yet carries more vitamins than your supplement drawer. David didn't need to be big. He just needed to be loaded. Vitamin D is the golden key your pancreas is begging for. Without it, the insulin factory can't open. With it, honey flows. Calcium builds your bones while omega-3 calms your blood. They're the multitasking couple you wish you were. Affordable, shelf-stable, humble. The supplement bottle wears a tuxedo and charges $50. The sardine wears scales and costs $2. Guess which one actually shows up to work? Same nutrients, different ego. The pocket rocket was canned. Chapter 3. The Golden Orb. The egg, a planet of gold. Crack it and the sun spills out. 0 carbs, complete protein. The original breakfast of champions before the cereal box lied. HDL cholesterol rides in like knights. Blood sugar variability, the dragon. 2 eggs daily and the dragon is tamed. The kingdom steadies. Eat the whole egg. The yolk brings choline. The white brings protein. They're married. Don't separate what God joined together. The divorce court is called wasted nutrients. Choline sends tiny construction workers into your liver. They crane lift the fat out. The liver breathes again. The factory whistles. Same skillet, different orb. The golden orb was cracked. Chapter 4. The Spike Break. Chicken breast, the marble statue of proteins. Lean, white, virtually 0 carbs. Your body is a temple. This is the load-bearing column. Protein is the traffic cop in your stomach. Carbs want to rush in? Protein holds up a hand. Slow down. There's a curve ahead. The spike never happens. Breading is just the chicken wearing a carb costume to the party. Take off the coat. The real guest was lean all along. Amino acids build your muscle skyline. More muscle means more insulin receptor windows. More windows means more glucose gets inside. The city thrives. Same bird, different outfit. The spike break was grilled. Chapter 5. The Calm Feather. Turkey. The calm feather. Under his wings, you take refuge. Under the turkey's wing, you find tryptophan, the amino acid that whispers sleep to your stress. Tryptophan sings a lullaby to your brain. Serotonin candles light up. Cortisol candles blow out. The stress hormone that drives your sugar up, it falls asleep first. The cortisol monster under your bed? Turkey steps on it. Gently, like a mother hen. Blood sugar stabilizes. The moon rises. You sleep. Ground turkey versus ground beef. In the boxing ring of saturated fat, turkey wins by knockout. The heart cheers. The arteries relax. Same stress, different feather. The calm was under the wing. Chapter 6. The Beanstone. Tofu. The beanstone. White jade from the soybean. To everything there is a season, including a season to let the hoof rest and eat from the garden. Isoflavones don't storm the castle. They prune the garden, slowly, steadily, the plant way, the patient way, the way that outlasts the storm. And magnesium? The same key that spinach carries. Tofu carries it too. The bean has the mineral has the power opens the door. Bake it, saute it, crumble it. Tofu is the culinary chameleon. It becomes what you need, the spy of the protein world, invisible, effective. Same body, different kingdom. The beanstone was pressed. Chapter 7. The Living Shield. Greek yogurt, the living shield, twice the protein. Live cultures with tiny swords, defending your gut wall like angels at the gate. They slay the bad bacteria dragons. They mortar the cracks in your gut wall. Leaky gut heals. Inflammation from the gut? It packs its bags and leaves. The protein spins a web in your stomach. Glucose flies in, caught, released slowly. The spider is friendly. The meter is grateful. Add berries, protein, fat, fiber, the triple dome. Nothing spikes inside. The meter flatlines in paradise. Same dairy, different density. The shield was strained. 7 proteins, 7 nights at your round table. Salmon the flame tamer, sardines the pocket rocket, egg the golden orb, chicken the spike break, turkey the calm feather, tofu the beanstone, yogurt the living shield. The dragon slain. The castle built, the wall fortified, the monster banished, the throne, your meter, reading 85. The kingdom is at peace. Processed protein brings the storm. Clean protein brings the feast. The table was always set. Get the full faith plus science protocol at bootdiabetics.com. Download the free 7 proteins quick reference. Link in description. Join the community, thousands feasting at the clean table. By his stripes, by the clean provision, we are healed. 7 proteins, 1 protocol. Taste and see. Your clean move. Subscribe to Boot Diabetics for weekly faith plus science diabetes content. Like this video so the algorithm pushes it to the diabetic who still thinks they're stuck. Share it to your group chat, your Facebook page, your family thread. Be the one who flipped the switch.